are 15 intriguing ideas for Instagram faceless reels that you can start creating today. So while building a business on Instagram without revealing your face is possible, incorporating yourself into the reels can foster a stronger human connection. Additionally, there's a specific type of reel that I've recently discovered and have completely fallen in love with. Yet it's not receiving much attention, So if you're curious about this unique reel style, settle in and prepare to be captivated. So first we have hands-on tutorial. This is where you show viewers how to do something with their hands, like crafting or cooking, right? So this is where you break down the process into simple steps and use clear instructions or text overlays to guide them along the way. It is best that you keep the focus on what you're doing without needing to show your face, making it easy for viewers to follow along and to replicate the steps themselves. So next we have point of view or POV experience. So this is where you give your audience a first-person perspective of your experiences, whether it's exploring a new place, trying out a new activity, or going about your daily routine. Simply make a video of what you see and do, letting viewers feel like they're right there with you. To boost the viewers' engagement, utilize authentic and vivid narrations or captions that offer context that will draw the viewers into the experience. So next we have product showcase reels. This is where you highlight product or services in a visually appealing way, focusing on their features, benefits, and uses. Showcase the product up close and demonstrate how it works, or how it can be used without needing to appear on the camera. You can use clear visuals and captions to convey information effectively, helping your viewers to understand the value of the product and why they should consider it. So next we have the tutorial based type of video. So this is where you can teach your audience how to do something, whether it's a DIY project, a cooking recipe, or a new skill. You can simply break down the process into easy to follow steps and provide clearer instructions or captions to guide viewers through each process. You can focus on the task at hand without needing to show your face, making it easy for viewers to learn and follow along with confidence. So next type of video we have stop motion animation. So this is where you can create playful and engaging animations using everyday objects or materials. Basically what you can do is take photos as you move objects around to create a sequence of movements, then compile them into a stop motion animation. Use creative storytelling and visual techniques to captivate your viewers, making them smile or laugh with your imaginative creations. Next we have recipe demonstrations. Yes. In these type of videos, you can share delicious recipes with your audience, showcasing each step of the cooking or baking process, recording close-up shots of the ingredients, and demonstrating how to prepare and cook them, using captions or text overlays to provide instructions. So keep the focus on the food without needing to show your face. This will allow the viewers to see exactly how the recipe comes together. So this will inspire the viewers to try it themselves, okay? If you're finding this video helpful, guys, I'd love for you to subscribe and become part of my YouTube family. Thank you in advance for your support. So guys, if you want to learn more about faceless Instagram accounts and how you can quickly start your own today, I've crafted a simple guide covering everything about faceless digital marketing, from finding your audience to monetization. It's on a special sale right now. So if you're thinking about starting a side hustle in 2024, this is your chance, okay? back to the video. Next type of videos we have is behind the scene videos. So these videos, you can take viewers behind the scene of your work, business, or creative process. Show them what goes on behind closed doors, from brainstorming sessions to product development to daily operations. Simply share insights, tips, and behind the scene moments that give viewers a deeper understanding of your work or industry. So this will foster a sense of connection and authenticity. So the next type of video we have is time-lapse transformation. In this type of video, you will document changes or transformations over time, whether it's a room makeover, a gardening project, or a creative endeavor. So set up your camera to capture footage at regular intervals and compile it into a time-lapse video. And then you showcase the progression and evolution of the project, highlighting key moments and milestones along the way without needing to appear on camera. So the next type of video we have is the educational facts or tips, which is a common type of video. Basically, you share interesting facts. Basically, here you share interesting facts, trivia, or practical tips with your audience, providing value and knowledge without needing to show your face. So you can use engaging visuals and clear explanations to convey information effectively. This definitely will spark curiosity and encourage learning at the same time. So keep the content concise and relevant, offering insights and advice that viewers can apply to their own lives and interests. Okay? Another video idea is artistic creations. This is where you can showcase your artistic talents and creations without needing to show your face. So basically, you record each step of your artwork coming together, from sketching to painting to sculpting, using captions or text overlays to explain the process. So here you can focus on the artistry and craftsmanship while inspiring and delighting viewers with your creative talents. Now, as mentioned earlier, it's entirely possible to cultivate a faceless Instagram presence while maintaining your presence in your reels without explicitly showing your face. This approach is crucial for establishing a genuine human connection and building trust with your followers. So, here are some effortless reel ideas you can whip up without breaking a sweat. But first, if you're finding this helpful, don't hesitate to subscribe to our family, okay? Subscribe. Let's get back to the video, okay? So with this approach, you don't need a fancy backdrop. So if you've got a beautiful spot or scenery nearby, take advantage of it. You can record by yourself, or you can ask a family or friend to help you. In my case, I asked my kids and my husband. Okay, so let's get into how I did this type of video. So what I did was quite simple. I captured some footage of myself in a stunning location in my country. In one segment, you'll notice me basically seated on a bench, absorbing the breathtaking view. So basically, my daughter took some over-the-shoulder shots to add some variety to the footage. In another clip, we recorded my hands gently tracing along a fence while strolling alongside it. And in another scene, I approached a sizable stone and sat on it, allowing the surroundings to embrace me. Now, lastly, I showcased a moment of me gracefully gathering flowers, and you'll notice how the ground was covered in blooms of flowers, making the video truly aesthetically pleasing. You'll notice that none of these videos show my face directly, yet I'm still present in them, allowing for that essential human connection to be maintained. With these brief clips, you can educate or offer valuable information simply by overlaying text on the videos and providing additional details in the captions. So if you're curious about how I created my faceless reels using Canva, be sure to watch this video next.